Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. It is commonly seen sometime you are downloading any file using uTorrent, then may you face a slow download speed or connecting issue, and sometime it will occur in a stall or stuck problem. So how you can fix this issue? As you can see, I am facing the same problem of my uTorrent have a very slow download speed, and it is almost 45 kbps. Here is a result. It is mostly depend on your setting that how you can change and your download speed will be increased. So I will guide you step by step. First of all, I will stop this download, and then I am going to option and then preferences. In preferences, step by step I will guide you. In general setting, this setting will be remain same, and privacy will be same also, and UI setting will be also same. The most important setting is in a connection setting. So here you have to change this port accordingly, as I am changing here as 47465, and also you have to check use UPnP and the both check boxes. So next option is in a bandwidth setting. So in bandwidth menu I will change here this value accordingly. You must have to change this as the same value to get a desired result and fast downloading. So this will be changed accordingly up to 25. The first one is add and then 0, and then 1k and then 525. Then you have to apply it. So after setting this one, we have go to next menu. This will be disabled normally, so you have to enable it. As you can see, I am enabling here, and then apply and then OK. So this setting will be done. This setting will be remain same. If you have checked this upper transfer cap, then you have must to uncheck this. Sometime it will when upper cap is completed, then your download will be stopped. So the next menu is a queuing setting. In queuing setting you have to change this accordingly, and then the second maximum number of at up to 25, and then here you have to change this accordingly, as I am changing up to 200, and the remaining will be 0, and this one also up to 0. So you have must to remember this setting and then apply and then OK. So this setting will also done. Now I am going to the next important setting. That you have to change it in advanced setting. The remaining menu that I will show you will be remain same, only you have go to advanced, and then here you have to search DHA, and here you have to change it up to 2. This value will be sometime 2, or you may change it up to 4. Mostly this will be used 4. So this value will be also changed, and then you have to reset this value. And again the last setting and important setting is RSS update interval. So you have to change it up to 200. I will changing here is up to 200, and then apply the set button and then apply and OK. So as you can see, this value will be also changed, and now I am closing this here also from tray, and then I will go to start menu. So this is completely, as you can see, I have closed it, and I will run as administrator. Now I will start again my download, and you will see the result. And here is it is completely changed, and speed is continuously increased from 45 kbps up to 900, and then as you can see 1001 mbps, and as you can see 1.6 mbps, and sometime it will go to 2 mbps. And here is a time that before this setting it will show up to 1 week and 1 day, and here is you can see it is only up to 50 or 55 minutes are remaining. So if you like this video, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.